Are you ready to become a vehicle wrap pro? Look no further than RightLook.com. As the nation's leading vehicle wrap school, our renowned 4-day hands-on vehicle wrap training program provides comprehensive training and certification to help you become a skilled and successful vehicle wrap installer. Welcome to RightLook.com, where we can turn your dream of starting a vehicle wrap business into a reality. At our state-of-the-art training center, you'll experience an exceptional learning environment as you work hands-on with the latest equipment, tools, and wrap materials. With small class sizes and personalized attention from industry-leading trainers, you'll master the skills needed to excel as a professional vehicle wrap installer. But that's not all. Our comprehensive 4-day training includes catered lunches and 12 months of priority tech support to ensure your ongoing success. At the end of the course, celebrate your accomplishments with fellow classmates and toast to your bright future as a certified vehicle wrap installer. The hands-on training and small class sizes at RightLook.com offer a significant advantage, as you'll have the opportunity to gain practical experience by working with fellow students to wrap an entire car from start to finish. There's no better way to master vehicle wrapping than by doing it. And that's exactly what you'll achieve during our course. Upon completion, you'll have both the knowledge and experience needed to wrap a car. Your journey begins with an introduction to vehicle wraps, materials, equipment, and techniques. You'll then explore vehicle inspection, material preparation, and trimming. As the course progresses, you'll practice installing wraps on various vehicle panels, tackling challenging areas, and troubleshooting issues. By day 4, as you and your classmates put the finishing touches on wrapping the class vehicle, you'll learn about specialty wrap features, pricing strategies, and best practices. And finally, you'll join the esteemed ranks of RightLook.com's certified vehicle wrap installers. Choose RightLook.com for your vehicle wrap training and join thousands of professionals who've trusted us as their auto appearance training school. With over 25 years of experience, we've taught students worldwide to excel in wrapping and growing their business and careers. Our renowned training programs attract aspiring professionals from all corners of the globe, making RightLook.com the premier choice for auto appearance training. Invest in your future with us and become a top-tier professional in this thriving industry. Turn your passion for cars into a rewarding full-time or part-time business or career. Don't wait. Sign up for our 4-day hands-on training program now and embark on your journey to financial independence. Schedule your training online now or reach out to our training advisors for assistance.